Hey, what's up guys, iMAT here. So are you a fan of mechanical watches just like me? Then you might be as excited as me while watching this review. In this video I have one of my favorite mechanical watches by Pagani design, the Pagani PD-YS007 mechanical watch. It is one of the finest mechanical watches by Pagani design and also one of my favorites. In this video we're gonna be doing a full review of this mechanical watch, but before we start, if you are new here, a subscribe to the channel will be highly appreciated, and if interested, I'm gonna be leaving my mechanical watches playlist link in the description box below. So first of all, here is the box. Let's find out what comes inside it. We have the polishing cloth. It has the Pagani design logo and the name on it. After that, here is the first look on the Pagani design PD-YS007 mechanical watch. Other than that, we have the documentation, we have the user's manual and the guarantee card, and in the end we have the Pagani design tag inside the box. So this is everything included in the box, and here is the first closer look on it. Now let's go ahead and find out everything in the Pagani design PD-YS007 mechanical watch. First of all, let's talk about the body. The dial diameter is 47.5mm, and if we talk about the case thickness, then it is 13.4mm. The Pagani design mechanical watch weighs around 140 grams and it comes in an all metallic body. It is said to come with a stainless steel case. The finishing of the edges is just outclass. We have sapphire crystal glass and it is also scratch resistant. Then on the top we have a ceramic bezel. It's a rotatable bezel as you can see here, and the ASMR lovers are going to love the sound. We get a crown key on the right side with the Pagani logo engraved on it. We're gonna be checking out its functions later in the video. If you take a look at the back side, we get a transparent case here, and as advertised, it comes with Japan Mayota 8217 mechanical movement. This mechanical watch has automatic winding, which means when you're wearing it, just the movement of your wrist will wind the coil, and you won't have to manually wind the coil every time. Now let's talk about the straps. It is using very high quality leather straps. The width of the straps is said to be 26mm, and if we talk about the length of the straps, it is 220mm. Here's how it is looking on the wrist. I am really liking its design. In my opinion, whether you are wearing t-shirts or you are wearing a suit or a jacket, it's going to look great. Now let's take a look inside. First of all, we have the Pagani design logo here, and next to it we have the date hole. We have a skeleton dial, although it is not showing the mechanical movement at the back. In my opinion, the mechanical movement at the back of the skeleton dial would have looked awesome. After that, we have the 24 hours clock movement here. Then we have the hours, seconds and minutes hand here. It has sweeping seconds hand as you can see here and has smooth movement. Another great thing about the hands is that they are luminous, and when you go inside from the light, it is going to use the energy which will help the hands to glow up in the dark. And now let's talk about the function of this bezel. A lot of people do not know that this bezel is actually functional, and you can use it as a stopwatch as well as a timer. So to use it as a stopwatch, what you will have to do is, first you will have to check the time. Currently it is 1:57, so you will have to align this pointer with a minutes hand, and you can see that currently I've aligned it with a minutes hand at 57 minutes. So now the bezel will work as a stopwatch, and when it is 2:27, the minutes hand will reach here, indicating that it's been 30 minutes since we are noting the time. And now it is time to talk about the crown key. So the crown key is screwed tightly because these watches are waterproof, so you will have to move it in the anti-clockwise direction to unscrew it, and once you feel a click, it will be all out. So even though it's an automatic mechanical watch, but you can still manually wind it. For that you will have to start moving it in the clockwise direction, and the movement of the crown key will tell you that currently you are winding the coil. After that, if you get it one step out, then you will be able to change date using it, and after that, if you will get it all out, then you can use it to change the time. Now let me show you how it works like a 24 hours clock. There are 24 divisions on this mini clock, and currently the pointer is here, which means that currently it is 2:30 AM. So I'm gonna continue moving it, and you will see that it is also moving, and when it reaches 12 PM, it will be at this position, meaning that it's midday and it is currently 12 PM. So you can divide it in two halves. So when this pointer is in the right half, it means that it's currently AM time, and once this pointer crosses the mid and reaches the left half, it means that currently it is PM time. So it can actually help in setting the time too. So instead of setting 11 AM, you won't set 11 PM, so that after 1 hour it doesn't change the date. Once you are done, you'll have to push it in and after pushing it in, you'll have to start tightening the screw by moving it in the clockwise direction. So you'll have to continue moving it in the clockwise direction until you are not able to move it so that it stays waterproof. So let's continue talking about waterproof. So the Pagani design PD-YS007 is rated 10 ATM waterproof, which means it is waterproof up to 10 bars. It is suitable for surface swimming and snorkeling, but it is not suitable for scuba diving. And with this, we have covered everything in the Pagani design PD-YS007. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. I think that after the Pagani design Yachtmaster, this one is my new favorite watch by Pagani design. The style is really unique, all of the edges, the finishing is just outclass. And this color was actually not available on most of the stores, but shout out to the seller linked in the description box below who managed to arrange this model for me in this color. So if you are interested in purchasing it, I'm gonna be leaving the link of the seller who sent it in the description box below. You can buy it on AliExpress, which ships to most of the worldwide countries. And for more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And you can also visit my playlist link in the description box below to check out more mechanical watches on the channel. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.